How to perform IMAP to Office 365 migration. Do you want to migrate your IMAP emails into your Office 365 mailbox? You can try out our Regain IMAP to Office 365 migration tool. With this software, you can professionally migrate mailboxes from any IMAP-enabled account to Office 365 and backup in various email formats. You can easily download this software from our official website. Just go to Google and search for Regain IMAP to Office 365 migration tool. On Google search, scroll down and open this website. This is our official website. From here, you can buy our software or try out the free trial. To download the free trial of this software, simply click on the free download button. Once the software file is successfully downloaded, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. In the installation wizard, simply follow a few on-screen prompts, and the software will be successfully installed on your device. As the software is now successfully installed, let's run it and see how the IMAP to Office 365 migration works. This is the dashboard of this software. Here first you will need to log in to your IMAP account. For that, click on the Login button. You can see here you have the option to log in to multiple IMAP email accounts. You can log into Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Yandex Mail, Rediff Mail, Zoho Mail, GoDaddy, Outlook or MSN or Hotmail, Hosting or Webmail, IMAP or other accounts. For this tutorial, let's log into Gmail account. For that, select Gmail or G Suite. Enter your Gmail email address. Enter the correct password. Here, make sure to enter app password in case two-step verification is turned on. After that, simply click on the Login button. Once the login is successful, all the folders of your Gmail account will be imported here. If for any reason you want to log out your account, simply click on the Logout option, and your email account will be instantly logged out. Again, following the same procedure as shown before, you can log in your targeted IMAP email account here. Now look at the right panel. Here under the Mailbox Export Backup tab, different options are available. From here, select the O365 option. Here, two methods are available for logging into your Office 365 account: basic authentication and multi-factor authentication. In basic authentication, simply enter the necessary credentials of your Office 365 account and then click on the Login Now button. As a result, your Office 365 account will be connected with this software. For today's tutorial, let's go with the multi-factor authentication method. So first, click on the Login Now button. Enter your Office 365 email address and click on the Next button. Enter the password of your Office 365 account and click on the Sign In button. If you have enabled the two-step verification or connected an authenticator app, then here enter the verification code and click on the Verify button. Now click on the Start Backup Process button. As a result, the migration process will be started, and according to your mailbox size, it may take a few seconds to complete the migration. When the migration is completed, you will see this message: File conversion process has been completed. To verify the migration, let's open Office 365 Outlook. Here you can see all the folders along with emails of my Gmail mailbox have been successfully migrated. So you have learned how to use this software for IMAP to Office 365 migration. Moreover, this software offers many more features. Let's check them out. Here, if you select the IMAP option, the IMAP login wizard will appear. Here, same as before, you can log in your multiple IMAP email accounts and perform IMAP to IMAP migration. Also, you have the option to export your IMAP mailbox into multiple formats. You can export into PST, EML, EMLX, MBOX, MSG, HTML, and PDF format. For this tutorial, let's select the PST format. Then click on the Browse button. Select the destination where you want to save the output PST file and click on the OK button. Then click on the Start Backup Process button. As a result, the export process will be started, and once it's done, the output PST file will be saved on your local device. This software also allows you to import PST, MBOX, and EML files into your IMAP mailbox. Here, select the Mailbox Import Migration tab. You can see there are two buttons. By clicking on the Upload Outlook File button, you can import PST files. And by clicking Upload MBOX and EML file, you can import MBOX and EML files. That's all the features of our Regain IMAP to Office 365 migration tool. Thanks a lot for watching this video.